Good morning class, and I welcome you all for today's online session. Children, in today's class we will continue exercise 1.2 and this is the fifth question of this exercise. So the question is, find the difference between the greatest and least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. So in this question we have to form a greatest number here and a least number using these given digits. Okay, so start this. So solution for this is greatest number. So these are the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. So these are 5 digits. So 5 digit number will be say 7, 6, 4, 3 and 2. We know that these are digits and this is a number. This is 76,432. Okay, and the condition is that we can use each and every digit only once. यानी सिर्फ एक बार इन digits को use किया जा सकता है. Each only once. Okay, so by using these digits, the greatest number which we can form can be 76,432. And just like this, the least number or the smallest number using the given digits, smallest number which we can form can be 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. Okay, we have already arranged these number as greatest and smallest one. Now the question is, find the difference. So difference means subtraction. जब भी difference की बात आती है, we will do subtraction. Okay, so to find out their difference, we will do subtraction. Mark the subtraction sign here clearly. So difference can be 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay, then 12 minus 6 is 6. 13 minus 4 is 9 and 5 minus 3 is 2 and 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer is 52,965. This is the difference between these two numbers. Okay? Yes. A machine on an average manufacture 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So in this question, first of all, see that mentioned here in month of January. So we know that, remember this, that in January total number of days are 31 days. Okay, in January total number of days are 31 days and that machine manufactured in one day 2,825 screw. यानी एक दिन में कितना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होता है वहां पे 2,825 and we have to find out the manufacturing of screws. How many screws did it produce in the month of January? So clearly this problem is related with multiplication. So screws manufacture in one day are 2,825. Okay, and screws manufacture in 31 days. So this problem is related with multiplication. So show that multiplication here, 2,825 multiplied by 31. So we will show multiplication here, 31. Okay, multiply it by 1. So it will be 2,825. Okay, and the next is multiply it by 3. So 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 8 3s are 24. And 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. Now add them. Okay, so 5 then 5 plus 2, 7, 8 plus 7 is 15, and then 7, and then 8. So how many screws produced in the month of January? 87,575 screws. This is the final answer. Okay, class? Next question is, a merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? So first of all, see this, that merchant had total amount of rupees 78,592. This one is the total amount which she has, and she placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets. Total she need to purchase 40 radio sets, and cost of one radio set is 1200 rupees. So start this. First of all, we will find the what will be the cost for 40 radio sets. So cost of one radio set is rupees 1200. Okay, एक रेडियो सेट की कॉस्ट कितनी है? रुपीज 1200. एंड फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 40 रेडियो सेट्स. सो कॉस्ट फॉर 40 radio sets. So clearly this problem is also related with multiplication. So 1200 multiplied by 40. We will do the multiplication here. So it will be 1200 multiplied by 40. So by short tricks we can see there are 3 zeros and 12 fours are 48. So the final will be 48,000. Okay, 48,000 rupees that merchant had to pay for 40 radio sets. So now next is how much money will remain with her after the purchase. यानी purchase करने के बाद how much money will remain with her, कितना पैसा उसके पास रहेगा. So for that money, total money which she had. In the starting she had rupees 78,592. Okay, in the starting she had this amount of money and money used to purchase radio sets. How much? Rupees 48,000. So money remained with her after the purchase. So again this one is a subtraction based problem. So mark a subtraction sign here, and money remain with her. Okay, so subtract this. So this one is 2 minus 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. 9 minus 0 is 9. 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 8 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the final answer is, how much amount she have now? Rupees 30,592. This will be our final answer. Next is, to stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? So in this question you can say that for one shirt clothes needed is 2 meter 15 centimeter. यानी एक शर्ट के लिए we need 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth and we are having 40 meter cloth here. How many shirts can be stitched with this? So remember this class, before doing any calculation you can see here that this one is in 2 meter and 15 centimeter. So this one is in meter and in centimeter, and total cloth is in meter. So first of all, before doing any calculation, we have to convert it into same unit. So we will convert the meter into centimeter. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. In that case, 40 meter, which is the total cloth. Okay, length of total cloth is 40 meter. So 40 meter will be 40 into 100, and when you do the calculation, you will find that this is the 4000 centimeter. 40 meter is equal to 4000 centimeter. And next is this one, 2 meter 15 centimeter. So 2 meter 15 centimeter, convert it into centimeter. So see this, the 15 is already in centimeter, so we don't need to convert it. Only 2 meter will be converted. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter will be 200 centimeter. And we add 15 in it. Understood? 15 is already in centimeter, that's why we have not converted. So 200 plus 15 will be 215 centimeter. Okay, we have already converted. So now come to the question. To stitch one shirt, cloth needed. एक शर्ट के लिए कितना क्लॉथ चाहिए? 215. So 215 centimeter. And how many shirts can be stitched? Okay, so see this, shirts can be stitched by using 4100 centimeter. So this one is a division problem. So 4000 centimeter will be divided by 250. Okay, so show the division here. 4000 divided by 250. So 215 one time, subtraction. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So next is this one. For this, do the calculation here. So suppose this, here I am doing the rough work. So 215, suppose this one is multiplied by 7. So 7 5s are 50, 35, 7 1s are 7, and 3 is 10, 7 2s are 14 and 15. This one is 1505. Next लेते हैं. This one is 1720. So it is sufficient. 1720. Subtract it. 0 minus 0 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 18 shirts can be stitched and 130 cloth will remain. This one is in centimeter. This is the remainder. This one is in centimeter. So our final answer is that by using 40 meter cloth, 18 shirts can be stitched and 130 centimeter cloth will remain. Okay? Okay, this is all for today's class. Thank you.